Hey, traveler. Long time no see. Oh, so you've completely forgotten who I am, huh? I'm Chusa, chief mate of the Alcor.
Nah, she's just kidding with me.
I was gonna say, this is the Alcor we're talking about here. Not me, actually. It's Kaidahara Kid, a You know him, right? He came back with us on the return. I don't know what's been going on with him, but he was in really high spirits the whole way back. Unfortunately, no one on board, from Captain Beidou to Little Yue, has that kind sophistication, yes! Not so once we got to Liyue, he disembarked and disappeared off into Mother Nature. Then, not long after that, we got a message from him telling us to keep an eye out for you. Didn't give the specifics, he just said that if we saw you, from the tone of the message, it didn't sound all that serious. Then again, who'd be asking for the likes of you unless it—
Actually, we deal with little things all the time, don't we?
Oh, huh, never would have guessed. No wonder the captain's so fond of you. She's got a soft— Getting sidetracked. I've got some things to do on the boat. See—
While the bridge slowly withers, the strings gently whisper.
Hey, Kaidahara Kid. So, what are you up to here? We've come—
You made it. Good to see you again. This appellation, Kaidahara Kid, when uttered by Paimon, it takes on—
Paimon learned it from Chief Mate Juza.
What makes you say that?
It's 'cause Juza said that you needed us for something. We didn't expect—
The events of Inazuma are behind me, and no longer linger on my mind. Now, as to the matter requiring your assistance, there was none.
Huh? That was really confusing. There was none to begin with, but somehow now there's still— Have you been eating those wild plants that you're not
What do you think?
Wow. Well, Paimon thinks you play just like another bard we know.
Oh? You're friends with a professional bard? I hope I have the chance to meet them someday. Very good. You're right. I acquired this anonymous ancient zither from an abandoned cave dwelling as I was exploring. When I first found it, it was old, but intact. The sight of it inspired me, and suddenly I found myself, to my surprise. As soon as the melody began, my mind began to drift, and I could hear the sound of someone playing along with me.
Just to circle back for a second, are you sure you haven't been eating anything suspicious? That makes—
I don't believe so, because when the melody ended, my mind became completely clear again. The cave was overrun with weeds, so I imagine the owner left a long time ago. Even the ever-present sound of the wind fell silent in that place.
Whoa, so this instrument is an Adeptus treasure?
Who can say? Regardless, it was a— But in Liyue, besides Captain Beidou, you are— I doubt this would interest Beidou in the least, so I decided to invite you to share this. I asked Chief Mate Juza to be on the lookout for you, but unfortunately, the ancient zither broke. The fault is my own. I've been taking it everywhere with me, and—
Oh, so even Adepti treasures break in the end?
If eternity lies out of reach, even for the mighty Electro Archon herself, then it is all the more elusive for everything else.
Uh-oh. Well, please be super duper careful with their—
Luckily, in this case, the breakage is fixable. It's more akin to hibernation. All we need to do is find the right material, and we can— If I heard correctly, the material in— As I've mentioned before, so I'm privy to a few fragments. Go on. I'll wait here. You are the savior of Liyue. You've returned.
Maybe she's got a few more tricks up her sleeve than you thought.
Let me see. Good. These are fine specimens. There will be plenty. If... Yes, there it is. That familiar feeling. Come, try it for yourself. Can a poet not be... I came back to Liyue to listen to what this region of the world has to say. In these vast and ancient lands watched over by the Geo-Archon, there are... Of course, should there come a day when you wish to part with this instrument, I will come to collect it. Well, my onward journey beckons. We will meet again.